Hey everybody and welcome. Steve here from OpenBOM. In this video, we're going to look at OpenBOM for Autodesk Fusion sustainability. So this is really important. Autodesk has a manufacturing sustainability insights add-in. I've added that, and I've worked with a single item in here that I'm concerned with, which is this lifting arm body. And you can see that I've run some sustainability analysis on it already, and Autodesk Fusion has determined that sheet metal manufacturing is by far the least impactful. So I've gone ahead and saved those changes, and I want to bring those to OpenBOM. So first thing, I've got the OpenBOM added installed. We covered that in another video, of course. And I'm going to come in here to my settings and turn on for property configurations, turn on sustainability. Okay, that's all that I need to do. And then we're going to create the bill of material. So I did a little work on some other parts in here with sustainability as well, but I just want to focus on that lifting arm because I think it's the most interesting. Okay, we're just pulling the last few thumbnails here from the Autodesk cloud. And then we will generate the bill of materials with some new columns in there that pertain to sustainability. I think you're going to find this really interesting. Okay, here we go. By the way, in other videos, I went through all the part numbering and all those other things, but let's just jump down here to this lifting arm. And we will see now that we have all these sustainable, let me turn the word text wrap on here for a moment. We bring all these sustainability settings that we did in the calculations there. So for the lifting arm, and I'll just go ahead and pin these first two columns over here. For the lifting arm, we've generated all the sustainabilities. And you can imagine if I'd done sustainability calculations for other items in here, they would all be here. But so that is sustainability for using the Autodesk Manufacturing Sustainability Insights with OpenBOM. So give that a look. If you have any questions, hit us up at support@openbom.com.